Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monique Monet. If you're new around here, I basically just document my life on being a micro content creator. We're just picking up from where we left off in my last video. If you watched my last video, it's a weekly vlog of me doing some content tasks. I'm gonna be taking you guys along with me, and girl, we'll see if I grow, if we see change, and yeah, we're just gonna go from there. I started my day off with doing Pilates. I did post my Pilates video on my TikTok, so if you're not following my TikTok, go and follow my TikTok if you want, girl. But it's more instant, it's more like with my time. I also have Instagram. I just do like photos on there. I'm trying to get comfortable with my reels, but girl, I don't know what it is about Instagram, but I just be getting shy. Like, I don't know what it is, but I'm more open on TikTok. We're gonna start on some breakfast now. On today's to-do list, I am gonna be doing a couple things. I'm going to be practicing on my espresso machine that I just got. It was actually gifted to me, and I'm very blessed for it. About just like learning how to perfect it and just start selling it for a side hustle. Let's enjoy these strawberries. Strawberries are really good for my skin. So right now we're gonna make some potatoes. I'm just like doing a morning with me on my day off is what the title is on TikTok. If it's TikTok, you know, mind you, is like shorter clips, so they just get a little glimpse of what I'm doing. And they see that what I'm showing you guys here, but like more snippets and like more at a faster pace than here on YouTube with you guys. So that's what we're doing. We're kind of going in and out of the videos. Girl, it's a lot of work. Okay, let me tell you something about content creating. It's just a lot of like energy you're putting out for yourself. So it's important to kind of like, what I'm noticing and experiencing is you can get like burnt out quickly. So my time to like relax and have some kind of relief is my editing. So my editing, when I'm editing my videos, that is my time where I'm just, it's so peaceful. I put on some lo-fi music and I just get in the zone and I edit my videos, and it's very peaceful and I can relax. And I take a lot of time editing. I try to make it very, very polished for you guys. And I am gonna throw in my downtime, which I have right now. We're gonna let these cook. These kind of take a while, so we have to let them sit. In my downtime, I'm gonna edit my video because I have to have that video posted today. Today's Wednesday. So my ideal posting times I want to be are every Wednesday. I think it's very important to pick a day you want to post, so you hold yourself accountable and you're consistent with yourself and others, and it works out. I highly recommend pick a day. Girl, it took me so long to pick a day. I was like, dang, what day? But I just went off my work schedule. So like my work schedule ends on Tuesday. Every Tuesday, that's when, because we get, my job posts our schedule weekly. So they post it Friday, and the end of our week is Tuesday. And Wednesday is our Monday. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna post every Wednesday because it's our Monday in my server world. Because I'm a server. That's what I do for a living. And so yeah, I just chose every Wednesday. So I would highly recommend like choose a day you want to do, and yeah, go from there. Get you a journal too, girl. That is your best friend. I use a journal to sketch out and strategize all my videos. These potatoes, I don't have a lid for this pan, but girl, I'm gonna just cover up these potatoes. They're gonna take forever. They take the most time. I was gonna make myself some tea, but girl, we ain't gonna do all that because I just got a lot going on. I need to just hurry up and finish my assignments first. So we're working on my espresso machine. Oh, what? This is where the water goes. this is where like I dump this to clean the steam. Steam and water purging. Keep your tray in place after steaming. Okay, so let's go ahead and okay, so this is like the drip. So this is washable when I'm done using it. Now we're gonna go in with these coffee beans. Look at that, it smells good. So we're only gonna do like a little tiny bit. And then we'll go in here. See, I kind of know something about it. So we soak that. So we're gonna put it in here. Like that. We're gonna pop this back open. I'm excited. Okay, here we go. Moment of truth. We're gonna press power. Do. Okay, what's this mean? What does this mean? More or less grind amount. We'll do less. We'll start with less. And then, so we're gonna come over here. So we're gonna put it on, let's put on 7. And then filter size single. Wait, I'm nervous. It's happening. You smell that? Look at Chewy. Oh, and we're done. And we stop. So we push on it. Okay. Ooh, it smells hella good. Okay. That's perfect. Now we would get the blade. Oh, that's perfect. I put the perfect amount. I'm so good with measures. Like without even measuring. Okay. Dude, I'm about to run my own coffee business. So it can't go over the blade. Cool. So we're gonna come over here and lock it tight. So this is where it gets tricky. Oh, there it goes. Okay, we're gonna put her down here. Godiva. It looks pretty together. Okay, and now we're gonna do just a single shot. So let's do it. Oh, there it goes, babe. Oh, that's all I did. And now we're gonna come over here. Put that in. It's not working. Oh, it's just okay. So we gotta let this heat up. Wait. Okay. Hold up. It's not okay.
It should smell good.
See, it says it's not giving.
Smell it?
No, but it's supposed to be foamier. You know what? I think it's because it's creamer. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, wait. Let me see something real quick. Sounds like a white. Oh, fuck. Okay, let me do something real quick. Hold on, it's almost ready. Yeah, this is milk. This is how the girl did it at my job. She goes, I like to heat up the milk first.
Yeah.
She's like, I heat the milk up first. And then and then I bring it up. Okay. Yeah, that's how she taught me. Yes, queen. How do they do that? Oh, see, I fucked up. Dang, I don't know how to make the heart. Okay, let me know how you like that. I'm gonna put a little bit of cinnamon on it. Okay, we're gonna just put like a little bit of cinnamon latte. And that is our coffee. We did it, guys. That was crazy. That's so good. So it's almost 8 a.m. in the morning. I already started my face mask. I have my tea. This face mask is the one I was telling you guys about in my last video, the by Amu Beauty. I got my tea. I have a lot of tea recipes on my YouTube shorts if you want to take a look at that and see how I make my teas. So we're gonna sip on this. Today's a big day because I have free time from 9 a.m. to 1. You guys know I'm on house arrest, so I'm very limited on what I can do. I can only go to work and home, but today is PTO day. That means part-time off, so I get 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. free time. So in that time we're gonna put gas, and then I have work late on today's agenda. Okay, same old, we are on our way to work. Girl, I just did a light beat because I'm tired as hell. Oh my gosh. When I get there, I'm about to have some coffee, I think. So we're just getting home from work. I did do an everyday shower. Now I'm just washing my face for 2 whole minutes. Okay, rinsing with cold water. I'm gonna dry off and throw a robe on and finish dinner now. I do have dinner late because I get off so late, girl. And I'm not really hungry at work because I just been moving around and I don't really have an appetite when like my anxiety is up like that. But now that we've simmered down, I'm getting hungry. So we're gonna have dinner and relax. Now we're gonna finish our skincare. So I'm using a Nua, or I did use a Nua for my face wash to give myself like a nice good wash. And then I think I'm gonna do a mask tonight, so I'm not gonna put anything on it right now. I'm gonna lather my body with this first, and then I like to go over it with this. So we're gonna be lathering our body with this, especially our bottom, because I like for my bottom to be smooth, along with my back, because sometimes I'll break out on my back. But now lately my back is actually doing really good. So we're gonna lather up. I heard that this product is similar to Baccarat. I think that's how you say it. The expensive perfume. Using this. This is an oil. It smells so good. It's like coconut tropical. So we're gonna lather this around the, so we're gonna lather this on the décolleté area and then on my back area. Okay, so this is dinner and I'm gonna eat, watch a movie, maybe play Call of Duty. I don't know, girl. Sorry for my heater. Oh my god. It's so, you know what? I'm not gonna complain. We're having a good night. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I don't know if you guys can see me that great. I know. So I'm like playing around with settings because I'm new to this, not true to this. Alright, this is without the light, and this is with the light. Dang, you can see the whole light on my forehead. Oh no, girl, we're gonna turn it off. We're gonna do without the light. Anyway, girl, a life of being a content creator, you just don't know. You're kind of learning as you go. You don't know what works. We just got out the tub. We're feeling real nice. And we're gonna do our skincare. You guys already know it ain't a vlog without my skincare. This is how I do my skincare, removing a full face off. But I did get new. It's an oat cleansing balm. Helps remove makeup and cleanses sensitive skin. It's this brand cleanser. How to use. Okay, so it's supposed to look like an oil. Girl, I don't even know. Not even like an oil, but like a balm. Just feel the consistency. Okay, it feels a little greasy. I don't know if I like that. Let's see how well it does. Okay, it's not that bad. It just feels really greasy for me. It's just out of the norm for me. I always go in with my Dove soap. Okay, we're gonna wash this off and then I'll let you guys know how it's doing. Okay, so I did go in with a cleanser afterwards because, girl, I don't know, it was giving like too much of like a blurred skin, and I just needed, like, I know my skin has pigment and texture, and I just needed that to come through to know my skin is clean. Anyway, we did that. We're gonna go in with some serum. This is by Anua, and I did get this at Ulta, and girl, I'm surprised because usually you like get this stuff online. So it was good to see it in stores. I'm gonna go in with this. I'm not sure if it's working, but I have been going in with this for the last like 2 days. So let's see. And I think it's doing something. I've been putting it on every other day. Okay, perfect. And to finish everything off, I did go in with some Tatcha lip balm. This is a nice treat for me tonight because, girl, this is pricey. Okay, but we deserve it. And now we are off to giving my dog a bath first, and then winding down some more, and then going to sleep. So I'll be seeing you guys. So I'll probably be seeing you guys tomorrow next, when we wake up. Tomorrow I work. I'm a server breaker. It's Saturday. I feel like every Saturday I'm a server breaker. What's new? And then Sunday, girl, we take my ankle monitor off, and I won't be on house arrest somewhere. So we're excited for that. Bye. The next day, a new day, a new dollar. I'm on my way to work. Tomorrow is Coronation Day. No, tomorrow I get my ankle monitor off, so I'm very excited and looking forward to that. girl, I don't know what I'm gonna do myself. So I go at 6:45 a.m. in the morning. That's the time I gotta be there. So, and they just take it right out, girl, and I'm free as a bird, and I cannot wait. And I did so good. And there was a few challenges along the way. Having my ankle monitor on, girl, the shit would go off at work. I'd be like, what the fuck? It was just so crazy. And like, there was a point where my managers are like, what is that noise? And everyone's tripping out. I'm like, oh my god, it's me. Like, fuck. So yeah, girl, there was a few challenges with this damn ankle monitor, but you know what, it's over. We did it. 12 days done. I just got to work, so I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Okay, girl, so we're downtown having some hot tea. Your girl just got off house arrest. Okay, I'm so happy, you guys don't even know. Like, I'm so fucking happy. We just came to Pete's, and I'm having some hot tea because I'm waiting for the smoothie bowl place to open, aka Nectar. I love that place. Buying some coffee here in downtown. It's really pretty. But we are officially off house arrest. Okay, girl, I had to fix the lighting a little bit in here, so hopefully it's better. We're about to wash our face and then do our makeup. So I'm gonna go in with this. I'm almost out, but this is this is my favorite facial cleanser, and we're almost out, girl. But it looks like that. It's basically a gentle exfoliating cleanser. So I love it so much. It's just very lightweight on the skin, very perfect for like every day. So yeah, we're gonna use that. We're gonna try to do this really clean because our hair is done. And I seen that I had some more of it in there. I'm like, okay, yes. Okay, so face is clean. I wish this lighting will do its justice how I look in real time. So I'm not gonna go in with my good serum. I'm gonna go in with this basic serum because we're putting on makeup. I like to go in with my good serum at night when I'm going to sleep. And when I put these droplets on, I do not let this part touch my skin. It's just like more sanitary that way. We're gonna just go in with this moisturizer. I'm not gonna go in with my good moisturizer, my more expensive one, because that is for nighttime only, so I can get the most out of it. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and let our prep dry and get a little bit of tacky, and then we're gonna do our makeup. Okay, girl, now we're just on our way to work. I'm tired as hell. I woke up at like 3 in the morning, girl. Didn't go back to sleep because I was too excited about getting my ankle monitor off. And so I just stayed up, went in at like 6 a.m., got my ankle monitor off. Did some walking around, enjoyed the day, enjoyed it, you know. I did some errands, went to Walmart. Finally, we were like starved. They did give me free time, but I had missed it when I was on it, so girl. But yeah, so we're on our way to work now. We didn't get any rest, we didn't take a nap. I'm hella tired, you guys. So I'm gonna get through this shift. I hope I do. I really hope they phase me, meaning I get off early. I hope they let me go early tonight, and I hope it's slow. But I hope I still get a few good rounds and make pretty good money, like 200, hopefully. good to a little 100. I'm in the bar, so it's not really as consistent as the other sections, but it's all good. I mean, it is consistent. It is. What am I saying? It's very consistent. So it's pretty possible I can make a quick little 200 real quick on a Sunday. Okay, girls, so we're finally done with work. I can't remember where I left off at. I think I was telling you guys how tired I was. Girl, I feel like I've been up for 2 days. I'm gonna bring you guys over here because we're leaving. But, girl, I'm so damn tired. So, mind you, I got up at 3 a.m. today, right? I stayed up because I was like, I just didn't want to oversleep and miss my appointment for getting my bracelet taken off. So then I was like, I'm gonna just stay up, and I went to the appointment, got my bracelet off, and then I had, you guys seen on my TikTok, I had a double shot of espresso. Had that, girl, and then I had like energy. Once I got home, I started cleaning, and then as next thing you know, time was going on. I had to start a work at 4 today. So I was like, you know what? F it. I'm just gonna like write it out until work, and I'll be all right. Because if I go to sleep now, I'm gonna be grumpy, and I'm not gonna be able to get up. I'm not gonna be able to want to get up. Girl, I was so close to calling in. I'm so sorry for the quality. I got to put my seatbelt on, but I was so close of calling in, but I didn't because don't nobody got time for that or money for that. So I'm like, okay, the bill is due now. Tomorrow's rent. I'm like, technically I'm not late because they give us to the 4th, and it's the 3rd tomorrow. So, but I don't want to be no later than that because then I have to pay a late fee, and I don't want to do that. So, wait, I think it's the 4th tomorrow. I have till the 4th. So we're gonna pay rent on time, at least enough to where I don't have to pay a late fee, and that's the goal. So we're gonna pay rent and do that. Dude, it happened, everything happened, like I had to make a decision on whether I was gonna move out or not, because I just go back and forth all the time, and I want to move in my car so bad. I want to live in my car, especially now. My car is hecka big, but I can't because I have a daughter, you know. She depends on me. She needs a roof over her head. She goes to school. I could homeschool her. A girl's a lot. It's just a lot of more stress I would be putting on me, even though it's not stress because it's my daughter, you know. So, but I would just have a thing. But I guess it's like, anyway, girl, I'm just rambling at this point. But yeah, we made it out alive. Girl, I cannot believe I made it, and I'm off for 2 days, so that's gonna be great. I love when I'm off. I get to like zen and relax, and I'm off ankle, girl. This whole week I was off. I mean, this whole week I was on ankle bracelet last week, so when I was off I couldn't do nothing. I had to stay inside. So today or tomorrow I'm gonna have to tomorrow is when I just want to go out. Not really go out like that, but like enjoy the day. I want to go for a walk for sure. I want to go to the park. I want to go running, things like that. So I'm definitely gonna get up early and do Pilates, because I'm gonna go home and go straight to bed. I don't really need to eat anything because I'm not hungry. I'm not that hungry. I just had a snack on my way out. My friends gave me their buffalo fast. They always, around closing, they eat outside and maybe sharing with each other. So that shit was bomb. So I just had a little snack, and that kind of just filled me up. That's all I really need. But yeah, girl, about to go home. I'm gonna relax. I'm gonna finally take a shower and wash my foot because I haven't freaking washed it like that, you know. Oh, it's gonna feel so freaking nice. It's so weird without my ankle monitor, by the way. Like, I feel so naked and empty and lighter. It's so weird, but it's so nice, and I'm just happy. I'm just overall happy, you guys. So let's go home. I might customers today. Everybody was so nice, and I thought I was gonna be a bitch today because sometimes, like, girl, I just kept telling myself all day, like, don't get fired, don't get fired, don't get fired. No, I wouldn't. I was like, you know what? I'm here. I might as well make the most of it. So I was like super nice to all my guests, and everybody was so happy. So they were looking at me kind of crazy because I think you could just see I'm fucking tired as fuck. But overall, everyone was like really chill and cool. So and then I was chill and cool. I was being really, really super duper nice because I wanted to make the most out of it because I'm at work. Why not run them tips up and be extra super duper nice and all that? And yeah, everything was great. I didn't have no rude tables or nothing, so that was awesome. But yeah, okay, I'm just rambling now. It's getting dark. It's dark in this area. Okay, TTYI, so it's now Wednesday. I'm taking Melody to school because I can now. So, yeah, I gotta have this video posted by today. I gotta clean the house. A few things on the list, to-do list today. But let's go ahead and take our little munchkin to school, and then I'll see you guys when I get back to the house.